Hi, my beautiful Cancerians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. Today we are going to do the reading for your sign for the month of November 2020. And yeah, with that we have come to almost the end of the year, and just how the year has just flown by. Anyway, Cancerians, please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? So you would also want to check the other placements in your chart, okay? So Cancerians, while I was meditating today for you, I felt very light and energy and like full of peace and calm. It's like as if after days and days of being into a gloomy mood, you're now back to your own self. You're back to your energetic self. Started seeing things in a different light. That kind of energy, and it's really feeling good. I'm really feeling good about your energy, and I'm so happy you're feeling this light and happy and positive back again. So yeah, let's see what we have in store for you guys. Yeah. Whoa, I somehow expected this to see this thing. Wow, lovely. What's up, Cancerians? Yeah. The energy at the bottom of deck is Two of Cups. I somehow, if I'm not wrong, I have been pulling this card consistently for you guys, every month, if I'm not wrong. Two of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Chariot, your own card. Yeah, Two of Pentacles, juggling, nice. Page of Cups, nice. Overall, nice energy. So yeah, let's get started with your reading, guys. So your present energy is of Six of Swords. Yeah, moving forward, moving ahead. Yeah, like I said, I was feeling like you guys are really, the kind of feeling is, yeah, you have finally made peace with whatever it is, and you are just again you're ready to move, keep on moving forward. Okay, you're ready to move ahead in your life with whatever it is, whatever the situations may be. You are ready to face it with a new zest and new energy, that kind of energy. Just moving away, moving ahead, moving on, you can say, moving away from toxicity, whatever it is. Motion forward. The energy crossing is Ace of Swords. So yeah, I think this is what was required for welcoming new energies in your life. Now that you have decided to move on in your life, you will welcome new energies in your life, new thoughts, new ideas, new beginnings, be it in terms of relationship or be it in terms of careers. But now that you have decided to show your back to the past and keep on going ahead in your life, you're going to welcome those new energies, and that's really nice. That's really nice. In your recent past, there's Six of Wands, coming victorious out of something. Again, a nice and positive energy. Having won some battle, don't take battle technically, but having come out as a winner through some situation which was not as easy to deal with. Okay, that kind of energy. In your immediate future, there is this Ten of Wands. Yeah, you're going to let down this burden. Okay, you are going to let down, you are going to shed off that burden, or you are going to just let go of whatever that is burdening you, be it emotionally, whatever baggage that you are carrying emotionally, or whatever, if it's at workplace, if it is pressurizing you too much, you're just going to put your foot down, and you're going to say enough, that kind of energy, just putting that burden down. In your subconscious, or the energy crowning in your subconscious mind is Eight of Cups. Yeah, again, moving on. Okay, moving ahead. This Six of Swords and Eight of Cups are going hand in hand. You are moving, you for sure want to or have decided to move on from some situation. Okay, you are in that energy like, enough now, this is enough, I need to close this chapter and move on in my life, that kind of energy. This definitely is painful, it's not easy emotionally. Okay, do you see this? Half shadow half shine, that kind of energy. Though it is painful, though it's not easy, that it's for your highest good. Okay, it is for your highest good. You need to let go of those emotions, you need to let go of that situation, and you just know it. Okay, and you're going to do it for sure, for sure. And I'm so happy and proud of you. In your energy crowning is magician. Now here you are, you are definitely manifesting something in your life, be it relationship, be it career, be it dream job, dream car, whatever it is. You are definitely manifesting something, and for that you are letting go of all the emotional baggage that is coming in way of this manifestation. You have realized the importance of that. You're letting go of that negativity, you're letting go of that toxicity, and you are like all focused on doing this manifestation work, or getting whatever that is that you're desiring. And I'm so happy for you. Make the best of this manifestation phase, guys. Whatever you want will come true. So please note that this is applicable for both positive and negative thoughts. If you dwell into negativity, that negativity will come into manifestation. So please be very mindful. In your advices, there's Ace of Cups. Wow, new beginnings. Ace of Swords and Ace of Cups. New love in someone's life. Okay, new love coming in someone's life. New job offer. New ideas. Bright new ideas. Anything new. There is this time of new beginnings. And how I'm so happy. If this is a relationship manifesting, if it's a relationship that you're manifesting, then know that it's going to be so emotionally fulfilling. Okay, it's going to be full of full of love, and it's going to be everything that you had actually dreamt of. And if it's a job, again, same thing. There's this King of Swords. This is in your external influences. Okay, probably someone might want to create some obstacles in your journey. Okay, some kind of some, not, it's like not everyone is happy about your progress, or not everyone is happy to see you happy. There is some energy like that in you, around you, and you are aware of that, and probably you will cut ties with that energy. Okay, you will, if someone is trying to bring you down, you are going to just be in this King of Swords energy, and you are going to cut all that negativity away ahead. I feel that you are going to be heading towards your dreams in a very headstrong manner, and it's really, really nice. And it is required. Trust me, guys, it is required. You can't be good all the time with everyone. High Priestess in your hopes and fears. This is such a lovely card, you guys. Some of you are, you guys have understood the importance of spirituality. You guys are going within, you guys are taking care of yourself, meditating, indulging in some spiritual activities, and this is so nice. I am very sure you are really working towards manifesting your dreams in every possible way, taking care of your vibrations, cleaning your vibrations, being mindful, being thoughtful, cleansing your aura through meditations. In whichever way possible, you're doing that, and I'm really, really happy to see this card. Yeah, your intuition is also at its peak. Okay, you are being quite aware or mindful of your intuition, to some of you guys. In your overall outcome, I see this 8 of Pentacles. Someone who is working really hard, focused, needless to say, like whatever it is that it is, you're like very much you are very much focused in achieving your dream. There is nothing else that is you're thinking about right now. It's you're maybe at you're trying to manifest a dream job, it's a dream relationship, whatever it is, you are completely focused, and you know what you want. Okay, you just know what you want and how to get in that in your life. And I'm so happy to see this card also. You guys are indulging in self-care, self-love, some of you, and it's a very positive thing to see. Wow, overall I'm loving this energy, guys. Yeah, the energy at the bottom of deck was Two of Cups, Ace of Cups and Two of Cups. This relationship, if someone is manifesting any new relationship, know that this is the what do we say, twin flame kind of soulmate kind of energy, as in you are connected from past lives. Okay, this relationship is going to be forever and it will be full of love, like it's a dream relationship. So if you have got any alliance, if you are looking of if anyone is coming up with you with a new proposal, know that it's for your highest good. Just trust it. Lovely. Four of Pentacles. Yeah, some of you guys, keeping up to yourselves, not opening up, being mindful of your energies, meditating. Okay, and also some of you guys making some savings in terms of money, being mindful of their expenses as well. Okay, being very calculative and thoughtful about where they are spending their money, or what they're spending their money on. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles. Wow, lovely energy. I think this Queen of Pentacles and this Four of Pentacles are definitely going hand in hand. You guys are definitely mindful of your expenses, and how you are being very much rational, you are being very much practical, you are not overindulging into shopping, or being like getting carried away, and very much I love this energy. It's a sign of maturity, being very mature. Note that you're not being miser, but being very mindful, and that's a good part of it. Chariot. Yeah, movement. Cancerians, this is your own card, headed, like very much headstrong towards something. Okay, very much hell-bent on achieving something, achieving your goals, achieving your dreams. This to me also looks like that energy who is coming into your life and offering this new cup, new relationship to you, and I'm so happy for you guys. Lovely. Or whatever it is that you are manifesting, know that that communication, that energy is entering your life, and it's so beautiful. Yeah, Page of Cups. Definitely expect communication from someone, in whatever areas that you are expecting. To me this looks more like a relationship. Okay, in terms of a relationship, but a message, a text, a text message, a call, a mail abruptly from someone at a time that you least expect. Okay, Page of Cups. Lovely. This is a lovely energy. Someone is going to just message you and ask to meet up with you. Okay, or maybe if it's a dream job that you're waiting for, you can expect a call, interview call from someone. Lovely energy. Yeah, Two of Pentacles. You guys are definitely trying to get best of both worlds, professionally and personally, trying to balance your energies. Like I said, you guys are definitely mindful of whatever it is that you're doing, and trying to just balance out your energies at workplace and at personal front also. Eight of Swords. Yeah, a little stuck energy, but I am sure you're going to find your way. You're working through your fears. This binding is your own fears. Okay, maybe the fear of entering something new, anxious about that new job, that new relationship, but know that this is temporary. Okay, you too know that this is temporary, and I'm sure you're going to work through your fears. Okay, you are definitely going to work through your fears to achieve your dreams. Lovely. And I'm sure you're going to get all the right resources. Okay, you're going to get all the right resources for manifesting this dream of yours. I am just loving the energy of this meditation, guys. Overall, I'm feeling very positive about this meditation, about this reading. Just give me a minute. Something just fell off. Too many cards fell down, so I'm just going to put them back and. Okay, something is flipped here. Let me just reshuffle again. There were too many cards. Day Spirit Base card. What is happening? Cancerians. Give me a minute again, guys. Okay, the cards just want to check. Okay, these are the same cards that have flipped again twice, so this time I'm keeping them. Don't let your past hold you back. Wow, lovely message. And believe in the impossible. Yeah, reach for the stars, you guys. nothing can stop you from manifesting your dreams. That dream job, that dream relationship, that dream car, that dream house, whatever it is. Lovely. Don't let your past hold you back. Don't sit in this Eight of Swords energy. Just move on with life. Move on in life, with a new zest, with new energy, with new positivity, and you'll just end up having whatever you want. Lovely, lovely. That's just amazing. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay. Set your sights higher. Increase your standards and expect more for yourself. Don't settle. Wow. A beautiful message from the universe. Reach for the stars is what I'm keeping on thinking. This is for you. You deserve far more better, okay? And you deserve all the happiness and all the good things in life. And how? Yeah, lovely. So Cancerians, I'll leave it at that. I love this reading. Absolutely, I love this reading. I hope you liked it too. If so, please press the like button for this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So yeah, take care you guys. Good luck. Bye. Stay safe. Stay blessed.